The new chapter which we are going to start today is how do organisms reproduce. So before getting into that, school started for you all. What chapter they are dealing with now? Biology, life processes. How many classes over in life processes? Yeah. Why I'm asking this? We discussed that so early, and I think you all studied that also. You have given the test. So what do you feel while listening to the class? It's easy for you to understand, okay? Or still we need to discuss a lot. The class is not useful for your board exam preparation. That's what I'm asking. Yes or no? So just if anything you miss also and keep on refreshing yourself. Okay? Next. What is there? So 2, 3, 4 minutes only. Just looking what's there. Okay? Fine. Now, so this chapter, how do organisms live? Okay. So basically, in this chapter, we are going to discuss about what is reproduction, again, the significances of reproduction, the mechanism of reproduction, the modes of reproduction, and then in each mode, the different methods of reproduction and how reproduction is there in microorganisms, how unicellular eukaryotes reproduces, how the plants reproduces, how animals reproduces, and then how especially the human beings reproduce. Okay, so these are all the important things that we discuss in this particular chapter. Okay, so that will end this very important things we are going to discuss in this chapter. A kind of comment. Okay, about reproduction. The definition will be easy. Definition of reproduction. Significance. Mechanism. Mechanism of reproduction. Modes of reproduction. There are two modes. What are the two modes? Asexual mode and sexual mode. Okay, and then the asexual modes. There are different methods of basically like fragmentation, regeneration, correlation. Okay, so these are all the important modes of asexual reproduction, and then also in plants, especially vegetative reproduction. And sexual mode of reproduction, especially plants and animals, and then humans, most specifically humans. Okay, so very difficult thing actually we are going to deal in this particular reproduction. About parts of reproduction. Mechanism, what actually occurs in reproduction. The mechanism, and then the modes, asexual mode and sexual mode. In asexual mode, there are many, but we are going to discuss about this high type of reproduction. Fission, budding, fragmentation, regeneration, spore formation, and then vegetation processes. Okay. So this is again sexual mode of reproduction, how the plant reproduces sexually, and how humans like sexual reproduction is very humans. Okay, so main area of this particular chapter, how to organisms reproduce. Okay, any known things only, not any complicated thing, and very simple and known things only. Actually, we are going to discuss. Okay. So this on this side. So yes. Oh, very fast. Definition. Significance. Mechanism. Modes. Modes of essential section. Okay. Okay. How can you define reproduction? For the simple correct definition we give for reproduction. That is essential like process. Is then good essential like process. Very good. Then what happens? Okay, we simply define the reduction process. Reproduction exists the biological process. By organisms produce their progeny or you can say offspring or non offspring more or less similar to their own type. Okay? Okay. Correctly define the reproduction process. It is the biological process. Reproduction is a biological process by which organisms produce their progeny. Progeny of offspring. Okay, these are words you can say whatever way you want. You can say progeny, offspring, egg ones, whatever. More or less similar to their own. Okay, so this is the simple definition we can give for reproduction. Okay, now all the terms can you understand? All the terms here, the 50 words given here. So, in simple, progenies are produced from the parents. Okay, they don't kind. In the sense, humans can produce. Hmm? Yeah, yeah. In the sense, their own kind in the sense. Human being can produce only another human. Cat can produce kitten, dogs, puppies. Another dog, basically. Elephant, baby elephant. Can you understand? So this is called what? Own kind. This, and then most similar. Let's split this down. More similar, less similar. Basic organisms are more similar to the parents. We use a term called what? More similar. Can you see this term? I use this term clone. What's called a clone? Copy. Huh? Yes, copy of the mother, whatever. See, it represents clone in the sense genetically and morphologically. Identical. Okay, clones of genetically and morphologically identical copies are called clones. Okay, mostly in asexual reproduction. So there are two modes of reproduction, right? Sexual mode of reproduction and asexual mode of reproduction, right? Two simple modes of reproduction. Asexual mode. Male clones are produced in sexual mode or in asexual mode. In sexual mode. No, actually, the significance of sexual reproduction is genetic recombination. Significance of sexual reproduction is genetic recombination. Why it is called genetic recombination? Genes from parent or recombine, shuffled actually. So we get different composition. For example, I may have 80% of my maternal genes. Maternal genes means mother, genes from my mama, and 20% of my maternal genes. And she may have what? 60% from mama, 40% from papa. You may have 70% from papa, 30% from mama. Can you understand? So the composition of genes, paternal and maternal genes get shuffled. Okay, and then you resemble more or less mix. Yeah, yeah. If Appa carries the genes, how the grandmother gene is coming to the grandchild. So Appa represents what? It's the entire generation of gene. You can see, okay, means paternal genes. It has a long origin, right? Not they are only restricted to the Appa. His genetic lineage, entire lineage, actually he represents. Amma also represents our own genetic lineage. It means genetic lineage. We can say genetic lineage. For many generations, she carries a gene from her family. Appa carries a gene, set of genes from his own family. Right? So We can say paternal. Maybe it represents the whole entire generations of Amma. Paternal entire generations of Amma. You can resemble no other means. That's not a big thing actually. That is like you can say because of what? Genetic recombination. Right? Asexual reproduction, what is not there? In asexual reproduction, what is not there? They are both similar. Their clothes are actually different. Can you understand? Reproduction is parents produce progeny. See, yes, it can be done, but not some genes phenotypically expresses itself. Okay, means some characters are visible, like your eye type, eye color, hand type, skin color, height. Okay, they are phenotypically can very well understand. But some characters basically, for example, how your digestive system works, maybe how an enzyme is produced, whether it is produced in your body or not. You cannot see that, but you have to do a genetic analysis. Okay, you have to do a genetic analysis. Mostly, people will not go for. This is actually not necessary in the sense we have 30,000 genes. Okay, it is not important necessarily. We do not have to go and check kind of what are the genes I get from Amma and what are the genes I get it from my Papa. Yes, it can be done. That or the profiling, DNA profiling can be done. But what is more important? If I get a disease, we don't have to check for all of the genes, whether it is from Mama or whether it is from Papa. By some traits, for example, blood grouping one important phenotypic blood groups. Okay, my blood group is actually what? A positive. I can do something called genetics. They call this what? Pedigree analysis. What it is? Pedigree analysis. Pedigree means what? Family history analysis. Okay, I can rule out where I get my blood group. Actually, this part is there in your class 12. Okay, you study genetics there in detail. There we can understand actually. So you can go for what blood group you are, what is your mother's blood group, what is your father's blood group, what genetic combination you may have, they may have, and then where it originated. So like that, so 2-3 generations you can do the pedigree analysis with standard sequence and find out the genes. And same thing can be done for many genetic disorders. For example, do you know any simple genetic disorders? Have you heard about this? Hemophilia. Hello? Yes, diabetes. Diabetes is not caused by single gene. Okay? Diabetes is a multifactorial disease. What is called multifactorial disease? Not just genes. Including genes, there are environmental factors, lifestyle, your food habit, how your body responds to any drugs. Like many factors determines your disease conditions, diabetes actually. Okay, but these things are purely because of genes. No other environmental factors can play a crucial role. For example, hemophilia, color blindness, sickle cell anemia. Have you heard about these diseases? Sickle cell anemia. Okay. Hemophilia means what? Clotting disorder. Saying that a small injury, continuous loss of blood. What happens to us? Like when you play with a small injury, their bleeding stops. What happens? in humans, clots and stops, bleeding stops. But in these people, this one gene is mutated. They have a mutant gene. So the blood will not flow. So continuous loss of blood. Okay, that's a clotting. If I have a clotting disorder, I can make a pedigree and I can trace out from where I got this. Now, anti means they like blood coagulating factors actually they have to administer into the body. There are in many forms. Okay, topical applications and injections are given. IV injections are given basically. Like different failure, they actually treat this up. See, the most cost which is given for the hemophilia. And also this disease is called what the royal disease. Just that is the treatment option for hemophilia. Okay, they have to administer that. No, it will not affect the body. So depends on something called generalized, something called localized. Okay, like the way they are like localized in the sense where the blood has to got there. Okay, is it clear? So very dangerous disease actually. Okay, lot actually will be busy studying about it higher classes. Basically, genetics part means since he asked certainly few genes, we can do some pedigree analysis with started and simple asking some questions. Who had the same symptoms and we can trace out profiling technique. You can isolate DNA, you can learn electric courses, there are many methods available. You can do whatever you want. You know, there is a project called Human Genome Project. What is it? Human Genome Project. Not just genes. Genes are actually made up of simple monomers, nucleotides, nucleotide base pairs. Actually, you study your life DNA made up of nucleotides. So the entire sequence of nucleotide sequence means what? What is called sequence? The order. Okay, like something looks funny, but listen. Fine, Hari, since you asked. Person's DNA. I just take myself. Okay, just one DNA. I just isolate the DNA. And the DNA is actually made up like this. So it means adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. Since these four kind of bases only are repeated. Okay, repeated. Many it comes like this. A, T, K, B, G, 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 C, C. A complement is C, A, C, 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 G, G. Like that, the base size goes down. If you want to write in one cell how much of DNA sequences are there, and if I ask Hari to write, take a book, Hari, these are all the sequences you have, sit and write. When will you finish? Just imagine. I'm asking you to write the sequences which is present in the DNA. Many days. Example, see the entire sequences. If you want to write, if you are sitting and writing, okay, 1000 book page. One book consists of how many pages? 1000 means pages. One book, 1000 pages. Per page, you are writing 1000 letters. Okay, like that. How many books you needed? 3300 books. One book is what? 1000 pages. Okay, 1000 letters per page you are writing. Like that, how many books you need? 3300 books. And it takes 120 years for you to finish. You are not eating, you are not sleeping, you are not going anywhere else. Simply just sitting and reading. Yes, yes, of course. You can't, you don't have to do that, but literally it takes that much of time. But yeah, they like that machine is called what? Automated sequence analysis. Okay, see that identification of human genome, that is the most costliest project in the world. Okay, they started it in 1990s actually. They completed the 90% of the work completed in 2000. And the first draft came in 2000 and then in 2003. But the entire sequences last year only they just came. Can you understand? So 1990s to almost 30 years of work. Can you understand? But lot of very costliest project. See, just to write one sequence itself, they spend what? Almost 300 rupees. What is the cost? Just to know this order, it is 300 rupees. And then look at that. Very, very costly. Almost 9 countries were involved. Not a single country can do that. So 9 countries are involved. Primarily from US. Hmm? Yeah, different individuals' DNA. Okay, they took the DNA. A lot of methods are there. They took the DNA, cut it into many pieces, multiplied the DNA into many copies, stored it, and then they studied by different methods, computerized methods. Initially, manually, they studied with different chemical methods, and then they shifted to computerized methods. Okay, and then now we have database. We know the sequence of DNA, where the genes are present, everything. So it is easy. Hari, you only asked. That's why I'm giving a big explanation. Yes, it can be done. Okay, but what is the purpose? No. Okay, why to check all the genes? How much percentage? See, in some like cases, you know, something called the DNA fingerprint. Okay, when people will be analyzing, checking their paternal maybe progenies DNA, when they will do that, some disputes. For example, a person is telling, like in recent days, like you saw Dhanush case and that, and husband and wife quarreling between them. This is not my change. To identify the biological father, to identify the criminals, okay, they can do fingerprinting. That fingerprinting is actually called what? DNA fingerprinting. They can take, for example, a child is claiming, I am his father. Okay, I'm telling no, I never met that lady at all. What they can do? They can take my DNA and the child's DNA. They run DNA profiling. Okay, fingerprinting. So they just check. Okay, this is your child only. You are in that case. It's not necessarily I know will I go and do I just want to check how much of gene we match whether I'm really a son or not. Necessarily we don't do actually, but we can do that. That's all. Okay, anything. So we can now the science is completely with what? DNA. Whatever you want, you go to the DNA. How we identify corona? Based on its DNA, genetic material. Okay. How we discover a lot of drugs engineering. What is called genetic engineering? Modifying the DNA however you want. Okay. Okay. So reproduction is a biological process by which organisms produces their progeny more or less beta. In asexual reproduction, clones are produced, identical copies are produced. In sexual reproduction, genetic recombination is there. Shuttling of parallel and parallel genes. Okay. What is the significance of reproduction? So you know the definition, right? All of you. So what is the significance of reproduction? significance. Continuity. Continuous forms of living or you can say in simple continuation. Continuation of living. Okay? Species continuity. Continuation of living form. Can you understand this term? Sentence means because of reproduction only, one bacteria can produce its progeny. What is called species? What is called species? What is called species? The group of similar individuals are called what? Species. For example, all of us are same species or different species? Same species. What is our scientific name? Humans is a common name. We are Homo sapiens. This is the species name. Sri Lanka, all of what? Homo sapiens. Species. Can you understand? A bacteria. In simple, you can say E. coli. All forms of E. coli. Basically, they are called what? E. coli, Escherichia coli, bacteria. Mostly lives in our intestine, gut bacteria. Also called what? Gut bacteria. Okay? A species. Is it clear? Species. Because of reproduction only, like this bacteria will die. Is that what? Or any species. They actually one bacteria. What is life cycle? What is life cycle? Hari. From birth to death. Okay, different cases. Birth, maturation means birth, growth, development, maturation, reproduction, death. What are the series of events there in life cycle? Birth, growth, development, maturation, reproduction, death. Series of events. Okay? Anyway, the organism, for example, a human being is born, undergoes all of the process, and one day he will die. Meanwhile, the human beings produce another human being. Can you understand? The individual organisms die, and ones are born. Okay, so this is called what? Species continuity. Can you understand what a species continuity during its life cycle? One phase is called reproduction. By that reproduction process only, the organism can produce its own progeny, and the old will die, new is there. Like that it is continuous. And species continues forever and ever and ever. Okay, you know, when Homo sapiens formed, when Homo sapiens formed, how many years back? When the universe formed, when they evolved, when the human being formed, some 4 to 5 billion years ago, and evolved. Okay, 4.5 billion years ago. Okay, and then what? 4.5 billion years ago. Okay, very old, right? When human beings, modern human beings, or Homo sapiens formed, just guess. Small, just guess. Just guess how many years back human beings evolved. The first human beings. Okay. Then 3 point, maybe midway, you may think, like midway, maybe 3.5 cent. Yes. What do you guess? Just guess and tell. Hmm? 2.5. Okay. See, just 25,000 years ago. We are not from the billion years ago at all. The modern human beings evolved actually just 25,000 years, not more than that. Okay, how many years ago? Just 25,000 years ago. Can you understand? The monkeys evolved some 2-3 million years ago. Okay, we came from monkey, right? So in evolution, we study. Huh? Not directly. So actually, yeah. See, actually, there are, see, listen, in origin, there are more than 6 theories are there. In simple, one thing called abiogenesis. What is called abiogenesis? Not living substances, living substances. Abiogenesis. Okay. Second one called biogenesis. It is from living only another living. Biogenesis. Okay. From pre-existing life. It's like from pre-existing life. Second theory. And first theory is actually Big Bang theory. What's called Big Bang theory? Big explosion theory. That talks how their components are evolved. And then because of the big explosion, how different components, the conditions, natural conditions, slowly, and then finally from there, like what? One big story. Okay, like that. One important theory among those theories, theory of special creation. What is theory of special creation? God is the creator of earth. Okay, God is the creator of earth and all the living form. Maybe in Bible it says 7 days. Instead of 6 days. Actually, 7 days we do this. When the human beings, Adam and Eve, fifth or sixth day, I think finally 6th day he created human beings and then he took rest on 7th day. Right then. So that's what the Bible says. And what Gita. Hmm. That's see something called that evolution. See, actually we have this chapter called genetics and evolution. There actually, listen. In evolution, 3 components are there. So what are the 3 components? One is called inheritance. What is this? Inheritance. Another one is called variation. And another one is called what? Natural selection. Okay. What are the 3 important functions? Inheritance, variation, natural selection. Okay. I give you animal it was there in your book. Maybe now evolution chapter, maybe you have that, maybe you omit it, but it is there actually, that concept. This is good order. How it looks like? How it looks like? Circle and standing legs. Circle and standing. Okay? Inheritance. How the progeny looks? Similar. Okay? Progeny looks similar. And then here. How the progeny looks similar. Now, here, very similar, same lineage only, but because of many factors, variation, okay, changing DNA, the new species of speciation, Variation results in what? Speciation. Can you understand? Inheritance. Variation. The variation forms species, new species. Okay. Now you just imagine. This is the monkey. Okay. And this is the human being. Okay. And just to make you understand what is it? Maybe eggs. Okay. Maybe chimpanzees. Little variation. Very much fun. Little differences. Just think. See, anyway, option one. Only species monkey, new species humans. Okay? For any, see, this is just for monkey and human beings. In general, what it does, if you don't think, don't assume monkey and humans here, for example, don't think that general, old and new, it's just no old and new. This is old, this is new. Okay? What we have most survival advantage? What are the different options? What are the different options? Survival advantage is more common. Old species are new. Sometimes, okay, only no. New species. What is the other option? In evolution, generally, opposite to that, old we have more survival advantage. New cannot. Another option. What is the third option? Both are survival advantage. Right? What is the other option? Both do not have survival advantage. See, for each and every species, variation can be there. You and me. So who gave this option? Maybe generation. Who gave this option? Crazy. Who gave this option? Maybe me. He didn't give, but anyway, this is his option. Okay, yeah, fine. Who are you and me who design this? Who will design this actually? All these things are designed by what? Nature. Okay, natural selection. Nature has to select. Say intelligence, variation, natural selection. Nature, for some species, it allows the existence of old one and new one. Okay, old one is also continuing its lineage. New one also then again continuing its lineage. That's why, because of nature selected both of us. That's why still monkey is coming out of its lineage. New species, formed species, human beings also continuing their life. Can you understand? Nature selects them. Sometimes, for example, what happened to dinosaurs? Extincted. Why? Hmm. Hmm. Many reasons they give actually. Climate change, lot of rainfall. So some molecule erection, global warming there, and then icebergs melted. So lot of flow of water. This fellow, Bunga Pasanga, they do not know what happened. So they died. They can't swim. Right? They were gigantic in nature, they can't swim. So water level increased. They can't the endurance was there. So by the nature only, they were the dominant species, but extincted because nature did not support. Can you understand? So why is the nature of the monkey? After the one monkey, water is so bad. That nature design. But why is this time the nature doesn't decide? Conditions are changing in conditions. For example, when molecules form themselves, molecules only carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, they found organelles and organelles found cells. Why they are not getting found now? Because the conditions there time different. Okay, temperature was 800 degrees Celsius. What was the earthly Earth condition? When the Earth evolved because of Big Bang theory, what was the earthly Earth conditions? 800 degrees Celsius. Some part of the world, high temperature. Some part of the world, very low temperature. Can you understand? So, in that condition, is it available now? Conditions change. Ecosystem change. Okay, so that's why not same thing or repeated again and again. Can you understand? So, and the stability. Why? Similarly, like new species is not occurring. Maybe it is not there in humans, but it is there in water, other organisms. Okay, like many plants, new species of plants are discovered, and many new old species are getting extinct. Okay, evolution is a continuous process basically. Always there are formation of new species, always there are extinction of old species. It's a long process. See, look at it. From 4.5 billion to 20 billion. Look at the gap in between. Finally, we will okay, human species evolved. And now just imagine, maybe after many years, then you go, like this 4.5, another 1 billion years to go, then you may not have either human beings or the monkeys. Either monkeys may exist or human beings may be a very little just now emerged, evolved, very new species, not even 1,000 years, 1 lakh years we didn't go. Okay, just 25,000. Okay, 1 lakh years, another 1 lakh years, we would have extincted actually. Maybe we would have not been there in the universe. Yes or no? It can happen. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Okay, right. Okay. So listen. Of course, reproduction is well connected to genetics. That's it. Knowingly and unknowingly we enter into genetics, and genetics is component of evolution. So here is the way. According to very basic connecting to the syllabus, actually what we discussed today, just one thing we discussed, what it is. Definition of reproduction. Right? Yes. Hari will tell me no. The definition for reproduction. Yeah. It is the biological process by which organisms will their pregnancy or offspring more or less similar. Very good. Okay. What are the two important modes of reproduction? Asexual and sexual. Okay. What are called clones? No. Genetically in the sense, same DNA. Morphology in the sense, shape, same shape. Okay, same type. Okay, internally and externally. So basically, right? So identical copies are called what? Clones. Clones are produced in asexual mode of reproduction. Okay, what is genetic recombination? Where it occurs? Sexual recombination, genetic recombination. I told you one technique to identify the biological father. No, biological father. Okay. That is identification of human genome project. DNA on a series. Pedigree analysis is for family history analysis of identifying a genetic disease. What are the 3 genetic diseases I just given example? Color blindness, hemophilia, sickle cell anemia. What is hemophilia? Blood clotting disorder. That will not clot. Okay, fine. What are the 3 components of evolution? Evolution, 3 components. Inheritance. Inheritance means what? Organism produces similar type of protein, and then protein, and then protein. That is inheritance. Variation in the sense because of many factors, new change. All of a sudden, nothing or many after millions of years, slow or fast, whatever. Okay, and then what is she asked me one question? Why now monkeys are able to produce human beings? Because for that to happen, it took billion of years. Yeah, no conditions, and it is a slow process, billion of years, and the conditions also changed. And of course, like a lot of variation. Okay, maybe after many years, we may exist or monkey may exist, or we may exist and both monkeys and human beings do not exist. Can you understand? Fine. So, what is the significance of reproduction? Significance, just one word. There only we went into big discussion. Significance of reproduction. It starts with C.
Continuous form of living organism.
Very good question. Continuity of life forms. Okay, significance of reproduction is continuity of life form. Wonderful. Okay, good. So, reproduction, continuity of significance of reproduction, just the modes of reproduction, sexual and asexual. Little bit we discussed. Okay, good. Okay, take care. Thank you. See you in the next.